Hey guys, we're going to be looking at BTS's Fake Love / Airplane Part 2. This is the Japanese release of it, so I have all 4 cover editions that I could get on Yes Asia. I know sometimes if you order from a different website, sometimes they have more cover versions. That's why I'm just saying I have these 4. So let's just start and work our way around and see what we get. I kind of already pre-ripped them a little bit because struggle of my life trying to get these things. So let's see. So I personally like to keep these things that fold around. So it's just going to be in your standard jelly case. So this one looks like it's going to have 4 songs. And our CD. Let's see if there's anything in, oh gosh, here. Oh man. Just have to pick it up that way. So let's see what's in the booklet. Advertisements, never a surprise. So it looks like we have just our lyrics here for this booklet. So I just like to tuck this in. So there's the first one. So here's our next one. I don't know if which one's like type A, type B, type whatever, to be honest. Okay, so let's see. This one feels a bit thicker. Yep, so this is a CD, DVD, so you get the same 4 songs, and then you get 2 items on the DVD. Unfortunately, with Japanese releases, unless you have like the region-specific players, the DVD part's not going to work. Unless it was like a Blu-ray, which it's not. So here's our CD, looks the same, and then you just pick and flip, and it looks like our DVD is going to be a black disc. So let's pop this open and see what we get. Probably the same thing, advertisement junk, and then your 4 lyrics, or your songs. Okay, and then our next one. Another CD, DVD style. So again, our CD will be white. DVD will be black. It's probably again just going to be the lyrics and advertisement junk. Yep. Usually if anyone comes with a photo card, it's like the normal version. But here is the last one that I have. Let's open her up. Let's see what we get. This one's just a CD version, but it feels thicker, so it might actually have like a mini, yeah, probably photo book. So, ooh, I can't really. There we go. Turn it. So this one's got a photo book in it. If I can grab it, there we go. Just slide this out of the way. There's more advertisements. Looks like we'll start off with our lyrics. And then we have some photos. I love the colors with the squares. Oh, I'm like obsessed with like these ear cuff dangle earrings. Looks like no photo cards or anything like that. Oh, I'm surprised. But that is it. I'm kind of glad they did a photo book one because usually the Japanese never have like a photo book for their releases. But that is all 4 that I have. I hope you guys enjoy this unboxing. Like, subscribe, and share if you want. And until my next video. Bye, guys.